How to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Let's get started. Instagram has recently introduced an official auto scroll feature that lets your Reels scroll automatically without you touching the screen. Here's how to enable it. First, update your Instagram app. So launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on that and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. Now navigate to the Reels tab. At the right corner, you're gonna find different option. Click on three dots. Now, various options will appear. Head over to the option Auto Scroll and enable for this option. Just with that, you have activated Auto Scroll in your Instagram. This feature is gradually rolling out, so you might not see it yet. If it's unavailable, try updating the app or wait a few days. So this way you can easily auto scroll on Instagram Reels. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.